Are you a fan of 3D finishes? Are you a fan of our Brick 600 series? Well, if your answer is yes, I promise you want to stick around for this video where we're showing an awesome product that's going to elevate your designing and do things like this, or even like that. Stay tuned. Today we're talking all about Brick 600 dual colors. So, what exactly is Brick 600 dual colors? If you are familiar with our Brick 600 product line, even if you're not, it is the next evolution to this product, right? So what makes it so unique is that it still maintains that 600 microns, so it's very thick product, giving you that beautiful 3D effect. But this particular product now comes in two different tones. So we have here the two colors. We have white with a black underbase, and then we have the black with a white underbase. What this allows it to is when you cut the file, you attach it to the fabric, it's gonna give you a really interesting shadow effect, giving that 3D visual effect even more intensity. So it's gonna look really awesome on your substrate, whether it's a backpack, a cap, a bag, a hoodie, or even a t-shirt. So today we're gonna talk all about this product. Come on in closer and I'm gonna show you exactly how this product is worked. So here we have the cut design ready to go. All we need to do now is weed it. Now I should mention that the product does not have a sticky carrier, so be careful with the detail of the design. But watch how nice and easy we can weed this dual brick. Remove the cavities, no weeder needed, that easy. All right, so now we've preheated the garment. Now we're ready for the application. One thing we need to note here, because of the nature and thickness of the material, which is 600 microns, we do need additional time for the application. So let's go ahead and press the design. All right, we're all set. Now we need to note here, the product is a cold peel. So before removing the carrier, we're gonna let this sit and cool off. And look how nice that looks. And that's the brand new Brick 600 dual colors. A beautiful three-dimensional finished product that's gonna take any design or any fabric or any garment to the next level. Whether you're doing fashion, sports, promotional, or even a hobbyist, this is a must-try product. Thank you all for watching. My name is Rudy with Siser. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.